Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Still using a boring old bank card? You're missing out. This is the Bybit Card, the debit card built for crypto users. You can spend your crypto or cash anywhere Mastercard is accepted. Online, in-store, Apple Pay, Google Pay, it all works. Right now, they're celebrating their 2nd anniversary, and the rewards are crazy. Up to 12% cashback and 100% rebates on stuff like Netflix, Spotify, Prime, ChatGPT, even TradingView. New users spend just $50 and get an extra $5. Join spending challenges and win up to 60 USDT more. The card is free, there are no annual fees, and you get $100 in free ATM withdrawals every month. Delivery? Free with DHL. Even better, your card balance can earn up to 8% APR without doing anything. Getting started takes 2 minutes. Sign up, verify, and your virtual card is ready instantly. And yes, there's a referral campaign. Get paid when your friends join with your link. So the question is, why haven't you applied yet? Get your card today.
Let's break down the Bybit card. First, the pros. You can use the card anywhere Mastercard is accepted. That means luxury shopping, online stores, restaurants, travel, and everyday spending, all covered. It supports both crypto and fiat. You can pay using Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and other major coins, or just use dollars. It also connects to Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay, so you can tap and pay instantly. Right now, Bybit is offering up to 12% cashback. That includes 100% rebates on services like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, ChatGPT, and TradingView. If you're a new user, spend $50 and you get $5 back. You can also take part in spending challenges and earn up to 60 USDT more. No annual fees. You get $100 in free ATM withdrawals every month. And your card balance can earn up to 8% APR through auto savings. No transfers needed. Delivery of the physical card is free with DHL. And once you're verified, the virtual card is ready instantly. There's also a referral program. Share your link, invite others, and earn rewards together. Now the cons, not available in some countries, so check if your region is supported. That's pretty much it. To sum it up, this card makes your crypto actually usable, pays you back on what you already spend, and costs nothing to get started. Hit the link below to apply for your Bybit card. And yeah, I already got mine. It looks great and works well. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates like this.